In this important video, today we are going to discuss an important issue from the GST point of view, and that is availability of ITC on lifts installed in hotels and malls. Well, this is an important issue from the point of view of hotel and mall owners. First of all, let us discuss the position of law so far as the availability of ITC on construction material is concerned. ITC on construction activity is specifically blocked under section 17(5)(c) and D, whether or not for the purpose of business or profession and whether on own account. It means that ITC will not be available on construction material procured for construction of hotels and malls to the extent of capitalization, that is, to the extent such expenses are charged to capital expenditure, that is, cost of the building. However, ITC is available on plant and machinery and items of expenditure which have not been capitalized, that is charged to revenue account. Similarly, ITC is also liable on any civil structure such as foundation laid for installation or erection of a plant and machinery. Now, the question arises, what will be the fate of lifts installed in hotel and mall premises, whether ITC is blocked on such lifts also in view of section 17(5)(c) and D. Let's now examine this issue and find out whether ITC would be admissible on lifts or not. In this context, it is important to refer to the decided judicial rulings. It has to be seen whether the lifts constitute immovable property or not. If it qualifies to be an immovable property being a part of building, ITC would be blocked under section 17(5). This is because the intention of legislature is to block the ITC on construction of immovable property. On the other hand, if the lifts installed in hotel and mall premises qualifies to be plant and machinery, then ITC would be allowable. So what needs to be determined is that what is the nature of lifts. One leading case on this issue is that of AAR MP in the case of Jabalpur Hotels Private Limited. In this case, in an appeal against the order of AAR MP, the AAR held that ITC is not admissible on lifts installed in hotel as same does not qualify supply of goods but is a part of works contract service, resulting in an immovable property. In another notable case, Messrs. Lal Palmas Cooperative Housing Society Limited, the AAR Maharashtra held that ITC would not be admissible on lifts since lifts once installed and erected inside a building becomes an integral part of civil structure of building which is meant for permanent beneficial enjoyment of building. Hence, the same will be considered as immovable property. In arriving at this decision, the AAR relied on various Supreme Court judgments in pre-GST era. In this regard, the question is whether a lift constitutes an immovable property or a plant and machinery. If it qualifies to be an immovable property, then ITC would not be available. In this regard, it is worthwhile to refer to CBIC circular in pre-GST era, CBIC circular number 58/1/2002, Central Excise dated 15th January 2002. In this circular, at point number 4 of para 5, it has been said that in respect of lifts and excavators which are installed in buildings and permanently fitted into the civil structure cannot be considered to be excisable goods. What is also required to be seen is whether a civil structure or something which is to be treated as part of a civil structure is capable of being removed or dismantled without causing substantial damage to it. If answer to this question is yes, then it would not be a immovable property, else it would be an immovable property. When lift is installed inside a building, it gets permanently fastened to civil structure of that building and cannot be dismantled thereafter without causing substantial damage to its essential form and is therefore not capable of being resold or reassembled. So far, we have seen from the above that we have a few AAR and AAR rulings only which had denied the ITC on lifts and escalators by holding them as immovable property rather than plant and machinery, and hence ITC is disallowed under section 17(5). Supreme Court judgments refer to pre-GST era mainly. Therefore, as of now, it can be concluded that ITC is not available on lifts and escalators. Thank you very much.